So, Mark, let's have a gist.
All right.
Let's have a gist. A trending gist. Simi dressed naked in a public space.
I just saw it on social media now. I see him for Instagram.
In fact, if we cannot discuss this if we don't drag a lady into the discussion. Priska,
It's better.
Priska, come and join this.
What do women
Come join this discussion so that you will tell us what you ladies are up to out there, because I don't understand how a married woman married to a man a lot of us respect so much, Adekunle Gold, and you are in a public space almost half naked.
How is she half naked?
How is she not half naked?
I don't get.
What
I don't see anything wrong with her dressing, by the way.
As an African woman, in fact, please let's not forget this. Before we are anything else, we are Africans.
Okay.
And because we are
African woman,
okay,
should you be in a public space dressed in a manner that exposes, in fact, your God-given endowment?
But that is the real African dressing. We as Igbos, how do we dress? Just wrap
bikini top, and this is our African dressing.
We just tie it.
We just tie a wrapper and then
we tie bikini like this. I don't get.
We just tie it to cover up this upper part. It's just
bikini.
The same thing. Everywhere is
just like this.
It's the same thing that she's wearing.
I'm not getting you guys. You tie bikini in an African dress.
So, or is your point because she's a married woman? She's not supposed to.
She's a married woman.
Because I've seen a lot of people
married to a very gentleman,
and
she's a role model. She's well respected. We love her so much. She shouldn't have gone like that in a public space. No way.
So your problem is that she's a married woman.
Yes.
Or is it because I've gone online and I've seen so many people body shaming her?
Yeah.
So those body shaming her, I don't even understand, because one person was like, but after wearing that swimming suit, did you look at the mirror? Like, why will you say that?
That is even
because she didn't do liposuction, or
that is one of the damages of exposing your body.
Imagine
people who are not even up to her standard body shaming her.
I'm saying
you don't do that, man.
They have food.
For me, her dressing. And also, before she posted that kind of thing, her husband must have been aware that she's posting it.
He follows her on all social media handles.
She knows her husband is okay with it, because some men might not be okay with it, but people like me, her husband, are okay with it.
It's not even the first time that she has done something like this. Even with her husband, they've been on vacations before. She has dressed like this before. So what is the problem with this particular one that she's wearing?
So are you saying if you are married today, and your wife is as influential as Simi, you would allow her go to a public place dressed that way? My
wife must always be hot and sexy, no matter where. It will be hot, so far as, and I will be okay with it. So far as it's not a short show.
Be careful with what you wish for. Because every hot lady is a man's spec, whether married or yes.
Let the best man win.
Oh.
If you can take her, have her. But if she's mine, she's mine.
But final thought, Priska. Final thought.
Okay.
Be sincere. How would you rate Simi on that occasion at that pool?
10/10. It's a pool party. You are wearing bikini. Every other person is wearing bikini. So 10/10.
You're not being biased?
No, I'm not.
Mark.
Yeah, what she's wearing is good. But I'll give her 8/10 because why I will give her 8/10 is because, let me say, in our country, celebrities, they have their way and all, but that's respect, and to not give room for all these controversies and all, unless this has an aim. Like there must be an aim for her to dress like that.
Maybe to promote her new
song or something. Because apart from that, I think the dress now give it 8/10. The 2% out of the 8/10 is to avoid controversies and for respect.
I'm trying to get something. So Simi has won something like this before, even with her husband. So why is this particular one an issue now?
Well, like I said earlier,
a lot
of us respect her because she's a very good role model. A lot of us respect her. In fact, the respect we gave more to her husband, a perfect gentleman. So maybe her fans like me got disappointed that no, Simi, you shouldn't do this to us,
So because she's a married woman and she's an African, she should not dress like this. But there's so many others dressing like this. This is a pool party now.
No, but no, don't. I wouldn't like it in that context that because she's no. There are certain things you shouldn't do. This man, we are Africans, man. We are
So you're
Africans.
saying that your wife
Yeah.
cannot dress like this to a pool party?
No,
She should not dress
I'm
like
not
this
saying
to a
my
pool
wife
party.
shouldn't dress that way to a pool party, but don't display it to the public, man.
So you have a problem with the fact that she's
Then
a
why is
married
it a pool
woman
party?
and she posted it on social
Yeah,
media.
yeah.
Okay, so she shouldn't have posted it
So
on
do
social
do
media.
your things privately,
So what are
man.
the other ones that she has posted before on social media?
Maybe she did that before now. It's fine for her, but this one I said no.
So this particular one now, you have an issue with this particular
Not an
one.
issue, but I just felt no, you shouldn't give us that, man. We hold you at a higher esteem, Simi.
Well, whatever you say, she went to a pool party, she enjoyed herself, and she wore what she wore. Period. And her husband saw it and he didn't say anything.
And other guys who were there enjoyed what they saw.
Let me even give you a comment from what her husband said. Okay, there was a friend that was standing there with her. Her husband gave a laughing emoji, said, "Why Lali they look you like that?"
You see?
The laughing emoji. No, don't misinterpret it. See, there's a friend. Now he gave a laughing emoji. He doesn't have a problem with that.
There's what we call pragmatic analysis of words and statements. Syntactic analysis of this word. There is always an in-depth meaning in every word pushed out. It may just come as a joke, but then a message is a message in a message.
Are you trying to interpret what he said?
I'm not interpreting. I'm just telling you the parts. There's a message in every message.
You are practically interpreting what her husband said.
It's like making films. There's a sub theme to a theme. So you just left for you to figure it out.
Did you even see the video? Did you see the full of everything that she wore?
I'm just telling you what that message is all about. There's a message in a message.
Did you see everything?
And it simply means that an African man by what's that word? By default, admires anything beautiful, whether married or married.
Yes.
Yeah.
Did you see the video of what she wore?
I saw it.
You saw it. And
Well,
in your head now, she like, it doesn't make sense.
In fact, why I'm even concerned, why I'm even agitating this much is that I saw something beautiful and it's unfortunate that I cannot have that thing. So why give me something I cannot have?
That's what you have to have.
no, talk your mind now.
Yes, yes.
It's paining you.
It pains me.
This is why it's paining you.
And that is why a married woman should not display something she cannot give us.
So if
Don't stop that.
So if she wasn't married now,
Let a young girl do that.
Like
A young girl that we can go for. Not because we cannot even go for Simi. No, Simi is too.
But you know,
AJ is too nice that we know.
Funny enough, you know, if Simi, because before Simi even got married, Simi got the person that exposes herself. You know, if Simi was not even married, and the way this guy was seen to a bikini, to a pool party, people will still talk.
As a matter of fact, before she even got married, she doesn't expose things like this. So why now?
Because she wants to. She feel. What is the problem? There's no wrong.
Yeah, all I can say is that so far as her husband is okay with it, and
he doesn't see it as a
we
problem.
do not know the aim of her dressing. Maybe it's to promote a song, but let's all watch out and see what she tends to achieve by
Anyway,
that.
I thought bringing Priska into the whole gist will give me a backup to support my motion, but then
Yeah, you're wrong.
whether her
Bro.
husband
You are very wrong.
is okay with it or not, but no, guys, let's not take away this. There are still things we need to show the public. There are still things we need to keep aside for the public.
So she shouldn't wear this.
You are a role model. There are people who live private life. Keep this to yourself, man. You can keep it in your archive, but don't show. Except if you have an ulterior motive to push something further, probably her new single or whatever.
But she has posted something like this before.
When she was married or not.
Yes, married like 2 months ago.
Do you want to dig it out?
I've already seen it before coming here.
Yeah. Anyway, it's nice. I hope you enjoyed the show. It's called The Gist on AnaedoTV. Do well to follow us on all social media handles if you enjoy it on AnaedoTV on Instagram, right?
Yeah, subscribe and push the notification button to get notified anytime we post.
Click the bell button.
Until next time, see ya.
See ya. Why are you holding
You
it?
need the chain to look. Make noise. Leave the body.
I suppose to freeze when I tell you that stop that speaking.
I was thinking what is happening there.
The same way you know talk, no mean say there's no cut, there's no pause, there's no freeze.
Now no talk.